Bollywood star Alia Bhatt will now be seen in a digital avatar as Indian game developer Moonfrog Labs has launched her first of its kind live stimulation mobile game, Alia Bhatt Star Life. To be available on Google Play and Apple App Stores, the game is made for the Indian market in collaboration with Bhatt. The player lives through story-driven stimulation of the real world. The game features Bhatt as the player's best friend who guides players to rise in their career in the film industry. In the game, players live in a vivid and vibrant virtual world and work their way through the top through movie roles, TV shows, advertisements, fashion shows and glitzy media interviews. Players get to wear the most fashionable outfits, work with industry's top photographers, directors and designers in the course of the journey. The player has to hire a talent manager, work out to be in good shape, learn how to dance from a choreographer and even hire a publicist to keep rumors and bad press at bay. A super excited Alia interacted with the media and answered some interesting questions.
What is the reason for doing anything? क्योंकि आपको एक opportunity मिलती है, there is an opportunity where you can explore something that is new at the same time where it has a parallel to your life. ये एक narrative adventure है set in the entertainment Indian industry, and for me both these spaces are relevant at the same time familiar. Games because हमने बचपन में खेला है, and industry because I belong to the industry. And when you bring this combination together, I think it's a great cocktail and something that I would love to enjoy. As I rightfully mentioned earlier, we sat and we've actually recorded my voice. So when you read the text on the game, there will be my voice along with it to support it. So that's for me number one. Communication through audio is the most, the best way you can do in a game like this. And that's what we've done. And also, we have shot a couple of videos as well. So if it's your birthday, I'll wish you happy birthday. If you're doing well, I'll tell you you're doing well. So things like that. And of course, that's the most obvious way through which we can communicate. And even the dressing, we have over 250 design avatars, clothes, accessories that we've particularly put out there so that people can design themselves. And these are all through my personal likes of fashion and all of that.
So, go ahead and play the Alia Bhatt Star Life game.